Hi everyone! Today we are going to color our friend Luigi. First is number 1 for green. Let's color Luigi's hat, and his shirt was this bright, happy green. Then we move to number 2 for brown. Oops! We missed a number 1 for green. Now number 3 for beige. Let's color Luigi's face with this soft beige shade. Number 4 is white. We use white for Luigi's gloves. Clean and bright. Next, number 5 for black. Let's use black for his shoe soles and his mustache to make it stand out. Let's move to number 6 for yellow. We will color the background in the bright yellow. Now number 7 for blue. Let's color his overalls blue. They look great. And finally, number 8 is pink. Wow! Look at that! We did it! Luigi looks fantastic! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Number Color Club. See you next time!